How to connect Windsurf to GitHub. Here's how to connect Windsurf to GitHub. Firstly, log into Windsurf with your account credentials. Go to the project or workspace you want to connect. Then click on the Integrations tab or Settings gear icon. Find and select GitHub under Available Integrations, then click Connect GitHub Account. A GitHub login window will appear. Log into your GitHub account. Authorize Windsurf to access your GitHub repositories, then choose the GitHub repo you want to link. Set the sync direction, example one-way or two-way sync. Pick the branches or folders you want to sync. Click Confirm or Save Integration. Your Windsurf project is now connected to GitHub. Changes will auto-sync based on your settings. If you need help, you can contact Windsurf customer support. Thank you so much for watching.